Let me show you how some people enjoy eating oranges. Watch this video to the end because number 3 is my favorite. So there are some people who like to take a whole orange, cut it in two, and squeeze the juice directly into their mouths. If you are this person, I would like you to type 1 in the comment section. You do not have time to go up or come down, direct into your mouth. The second group of people are those people who also want it simple and easy. They make use of a juicer that is going to separate the pulp from the juice, and they have their juice immediately. So while we are doing this process, let me quickly tell us the benefits of the orange juice. So orange juice is a very rich source of vitamin C, and vitamin C is a great immune booster. Also, the orange juice helps in hydration. The orange juice also helps to prevent kidney stones. It also helps in eyesight. So if you want to see clearly, go for the orange juice. It also contains folate and it contains potassium. It also helps in fighting cancer because it is a very rich source of antioxidants. So if you are one of those people who want it easy on yourselves by using a machine that will juice it out for you, I would like you to type 2 in the comment section below. There are also a group of people like myself who like to have all the benefits of the fruit to myself. So this group of persons, they cut an orange in 2 halves, open as you're seeing me doing here, and they remove the pulp, eating it directly. So I said I'm going to give you the 2 reasons why I like eating it this way. Number 1 is because eating the orange pulp, it gives fiber, and this fiber helps to balance and to regulate the digestive system. This pulp also helps to make stable the sugars of the fluid of life. If you are an old person to this space, you will know how we call the fluid of life. BLODD. BLOOD. So this pulp will help the sugars of this fluid of life to be stable. So if you are this person that has issues with your sugar level fluctuating, it is advisable for you to eat fruits with the pulp and not really juicing almost every time. So if you find this video helpful, I would like to like this video, comment, and share it with your people, with your friends. You know how we do it. Share it now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.